how to gain access to a 15-day free trial of Corel Draw. If you don't know, Corel Draw is a software company where you can design stuff and you can do vector graphic editing and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to show you how to gain access to a free trial. First, search for Corel Draw free trial, and from here you can click on this link. It will open up here, and from here you can simply click on try free. It will ask you for your email, and once you log in with your email, it will load this page right here. So I have already selected my email. After you have done that, it will create an application environment, and once that is done, you can easily use Corel Draw for free for 15 days. So let's wait for a bit. So as you can see, the free trial has now started, so I can just start here, and you can choose your experience level. So just choose this, and you can choose your projects. So after you do that, you can easily access all of these stuff. So your trial period expires in 16 days. Until then, you can easily enjoy Corel Draw and make your arts here. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.